Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Success. Today I'm going to be talking about the recent Ethereum surge and altcoins and where I think the cryptocurrency market is heading. As always, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. If you like this video, please hit the like button, I'd appreciate it, and subscribe if you'd like to hear more about cryptocurrencies and the stock market. Also, below is a link to Patreon, which will provide access to a Discord chat where I do provide my buys and sells. And so if you're interested in that, there is a limited number of members that will be able to get access for $3. And so if you want to check that out, there is a link below. And so let's get started. So let's take a look at Ethereum chart here. It is currently trading right around $3,340. And so as we can see, we're almost at all-time highs. And so I will make this a little bit bigger here so we can take a look at it. This is the daily chart here. And so you can see it has been running for the last week, especially with today with about a 10% gain. And so I won't be surprised if this does continue a little bit and then we do get a red day down here and then it does continue. I do have a price target of $4,000 for Ethereum. And so that's very similar to back in 2017, Ethereum used to trade right around 7%. And so that would be about 7% of Bitcoin value. And so that is why my price target is $4,000. And so here this article does explain that Ethereum has went up quite a bit. It is at $3.3 thousand and Bitcoin is just below $60,000. And so Bitcoin has been hovering right around that $55,000 to $58,000 range the last couple of days. And so I think that's very important to note, and so I will dig deeper into this and where I think this is heading. And so Ethereum is excelling while Bitcoin is barely making gains, and BNB breaks out of DeFi. And so BNB is a competitor to Ethereum. It is Binance. They also have an exchange as well where you can trade cryptocurrencies. That is the platform that I use. And so today they did break $100 billion market cap. And so that's very big for BNB Coin as well. And so let's take a look at this is Binance here. And so I'm looking at different cryptocurrencies. They are currently sorted by market cap. And so as we can see, Bitcoin is the largest, and then Ethereum, and then BNB is currently the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. And so here we can see that Bitcoin is just over $1 trillion market cap. Ethereum is at $365 billion, and then BNB has broken the $100 billion market cap as well. And so, as we can see, Ethereum, some people have mentioned that Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin. That does not mean that Ethereum will break above $60,000 or the Bitcoin price. However, this does mean that the market cap could overtake Bitcoin. And so there is potential that this could triple. And so Ethereum may see a $10,000 price target if it does overtake Bitcoin. And so that's just something to keep in mind. Sometimes it's easy to look at this and say, is there a possibility of it being $60,000? With the current market cap of cryptocurrencies, that is not possible. And so while I'm on Binance here, I'd also like to take a look at something else that I think is very unique and interesting. And so this is the platform that I use here. This is Binance. And so if you're interested in signing up for this, there is a link below. And so as you can see here, I did just sort this by 24-hour volume on Binance. And so we can see that Dogecoin has the highest volume currently at 157 million. And so then Ethereum second, USDT, which is just linked to the dollar, and then there's BNB and then Bitcoin down here at fifth. And so they're trading right around 56 million in 24-hour volume. And so this is something very interesting. We're starting to see a lot of these altcoins actually have more volume than Bitcoin. And so I would like to take a look at this chart here. I think this demonstrates it very well, what may be happening. So I would like to take a look at this chart here on CoinMarketCap. This is showing the total market cap dominance for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So in 2017, Bitcoin had the majority of the market cap. They were about 80% of the total market cap. And so then right at about the end of the year in 2017, we saw this huge dip in dominance, and Bitcoin kind of lost a lot of the money to a lot of different altcoins into Ethereum, Litecoin, other cryptocurrencies. And so we can kind of see down here in these different colors, this is Ethereum here in the purple. And so we saw that starting to really rise. And so a lot of the money that was in Bitcoin kind of jumped ship and started buying into Litecoin, Ethereum, and so these all started to run. And so I think this may be very similar to what we are seeing now. We can kind of see the market cap has dropped. It's not as high as it was in 2017, but it is about 70% of the market cap a few weeks ago. And so since then, we can see it started to really drop off here. It is now about 50% of the total market cap today. And so Bitcoin is about $1 trillion. The total market cap in cryptocurrencies is about 2.2 trillion. And so we're seeing this drop down, and then we are starting to see Ethereum run. And so I think this is going to lead to a lot of money coming from Bitcoin and then going into Ethereum and then other altcoins that are large like Litecoin, even BNB Coin, or these other large cryptocurrencies. So I definitely think this is something that could happen here, especially if Bitcoin continues to stay stable right around 55,000, or even if it drops a little bit. Some people start taking money out of Bitcoin and they're going to start chasing things that are going up, like Ethereum, like ADA, Cardano, BNB, Stellar, Lumens. And so there's a lot of different cryptocurrencies that you can be buying instead that are all going up. And so that's just something to keep in mind. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen here. This could bounce back. Bitcoin could start going up, and then these altcoins may start going down. And so I'm not guaranteeing that we're going to see that, but I think there is a good potential that we're going to start seeing that going forward here. And so I'd also like to take a look at this article. It's very interesting. It is comparing Binance Coin to Ethereum. And so since Ethereum's getting a lot of attention, Binance Coin is its competitor. And so they do have something called the Binance Smart Chain, which is very similar to Ethereum. This is a platform coin, and so this is a coin that other cryptocurrencies can be built upon. And so a cryptocurrency named Umbrella Network acts as a bridge between smart contracts and off-chain data feeds, is shifting from the Ethereum platform to Binance Smart Chain. And so there's many advantages to working on the Binance Smart Chain. And so that includes transaction fees that are 90% lower than what is incurred on Ethereum. And so for example, Ethereum transaction to get data on chain might cost $50, whereas that same transaction might only cost 50 cents on Binance Smart Chain. And so that's much cheaper and it's much faster as well. And so this is going to be a huge competitor to Ethereum. And so Binance Smart Chain has been on a tear of lately, having surpassed Ethereum in terms of daily unique active wallets and transaction count early this year. And so Binance Smart Chain has been getting a lot of attention, especially because the coins like SafeMoon or other small cryptocurrencies are built on Binance Smart Chain, and so I think this is why they're getting so much attention. And so with record activity leading to network congestion and high transaction cost in Ethereum, people are looking to rival blockchains for different platforms. And so they may be looking into BNB Coin or even Cardano as well. That is another platform as well. And so on Saturday, Binance Smart Chain processed 7.3 million transactions, nearly 6 times greater than Ethereum's tally of 1.42 million according to the data source BSC Scan. And so Binance Smart Chain is starting to have a lot more transactions as well. And so this could definitely overtake Ethereum if Ethereum does not introduce Ethereum 2.0 here soon. And so that is the next thing I'd like to talk about. This has been going on for quite some time. And so Ethereum is working on introducing Ethereum 2.0. They are working on focusing on those high cost and slow transaction times. And so this is something they're working on. And so with Ethereum right now, it is currently a proof of work coin. And so that's very similar to Bitcoin. And so it is a mineable coin, which uses a lot of time and energy. Whereas Binance Smart Chain is a proof of stake coin, and so people are able to stake those cryptocurrencies, and then it takes away from the energy standpoint. And so that's something that Ethereum is also working on transferring over to. They are working on becoming a proof of stake coin as well, and so you will be able to stake your Ethereum, which means you'll be able to almost earn an interest rate on Ethereum going forward if you choose to stake it. And so that's definitely something to look forward to. I'm not sure when Ethereum 2.0 is going to be coming out. Like I said, they have been developing this for over a year now, and so I'm hoping that this is something they're going to be starting to push through here. So ETH 2.0 at the top here, it does say that researchers are working on ways to accelerate the merge. And so I think they are starting to get a lot more pressure from Binance Smart Chain or other cryptocurrency platforms. And so I think they're going to have to start putting something out here, or otherwise they're going to get overtaken. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and let me know your thoughts below, whether you're going to be buying Ethereum, maybe Binance Smart Chain, or a different platform coin as well. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies, I will be making more videos on this going forward. And so I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.